CoinShares records $42 million revenue in Q4 2023, crypto adoption rising. David Pokima last updated February 13, 2024 at 15:52 GMT plus 22 min read. Source: DAL3 digital assets management firm CoinShares reported $42 million in revenues and gains in the last quarter of 2023 following a positive swing in the market. The company disclosed the recent financial statements in its Q4 2023 report, showing an increase in year-on-year performance and adoption as institutional investors' appetite for digital assets surged. Strongest quarter since 2021 could be a sign of increasing crypto adoption. CoinShares netted revenues of $16 million and gains of $25.7 million in Q4 2023, marking another good quarter for the firm. According to the report, gains in Q4 mean CoinShares has stayed in the green zone for 4 consecutive quarters and boasts an adjusted EBITDA of $71.98 million for 2023. Fees collected from CoinShares Asset Management Division ETPs and index products totaled $13 million, a significant increase from last year's $8.5 million. Principal investments raked in $12.07 million, up from $0.5 million in the previous year, while the combined gains of $42 million spiked from $14 million in 2022. A notable figure from the statement is the total assets under management AUM of the firm at $3.81 billion. Per the report, of which £2.44 billion is held on the balance sheet in relation to the group's ETPs issued by XBT provider and CoinShares Digital Securities Limited. The remaining amount of £0.57 billion is attributable to the block index, which is not included on the balance sheet, as while we decide the index constituents and their weighting within the index. CoinShares' impressive year-on-year results could be a signal that the market is expanding and crypto adoption is on the rise. Bitcoin price action spikes CoinShares AUM. The fluctuations in AUM reflect on the fee revenues and do not impact the group's equity. A look at CoinShares AUM shows a massive 109% increase from 2022 as more funds trickle into the market. The 109% gain in the last 12 months is due to a price uptick for Bitcoin BTC, Ethereum ETH, and other crypto assets. Bitcoin recorded a 158% growth throughout last year as institutional investment flocked into the asset based on a potential approval of spot Bitcoin ETF by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). The asset also showed strength based on the upcoming halving, with miners improving capacity after the 2022 bear market. On the other hand, Ethereum gained 80% in the same period after a woeful 2022. Aside from price surges, inflows into digital assets funds led to an AUM increase across most wealth managers. The months leading up to the ETF approval were filled with growing anticipation as traditional investors got more windows to increase their exposure. In its outlook for 2024, CoinShares seeks to consolidate its position in the European market and expand in the United States with the Valkyrie partnership after the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. The importance of distribution in these key markets cannot be overstated, as it is a critical factor in raising assets under management AUM. A robust distribution network, combined with effective marketing initiatives, will be pivotal in capturing market share and driving the growth of our fund offerings. Follow us on Google News.